Fire is never the source of strength for a boiling pot in the middle of a sea. When vultures gather to feast on a living being, it's obvious that such gathering is in vain. Nobody knows exactly how God took his time to specially integrate you into a living species. If only your enemy knows exactly how you were made of, they wouldn't have dealt with you. Nobody can bring you down. Nobody. All their evil conspiracies will be in vain. Backbiting, sabotage, lambasting you behind you, all these things will be in vain. Nobody, born of a woman, can bring you down. Nobody. When vultures gather to feast on a living human, their gathering will be in vain.